In this episode, we continue our European cruise with a stop in Bruges, Belgium, where we take a walking tour of this beautiful medieval city. We see amazing works of architecture, statues, and churches. We walk the cobblestone streets, sampling everything the city has to offer, from waffles to chocolate to amazing views. You'll see why this is one of the most beautiful cities in all of Europe. We hope you enjoy the video.
Hey there, I'm Rose.
And I'm Dan. And we are the Half-Ass Travelers. Hey everybody, we're in Belgium.
In Belgium.
Where are we, hon?
Yep, we're in Zeebrugge, Belgium, on our way to Bruges.
Yeah, the cruise ship stops in Zeebrugge, which is where the cruise terminal is. It's about a half-hour bus ride to Bruges. We've got a tour bus, and we're just waiting to go.
We will see you there.
We're on our way.
Well, I have to say, if this was summertime, I could just sit here at the park, look at the little medieval buildings, have all the livestock out here. It's so beautiful. I can't even imagine what it would look like with all the flowers, and it's just a really magical little city or town.
So you like Bruges?
I do.
So do I. We had a great time walking around today.
What did we have? We had some Belgian waffles, which were to die for.
Yeah.
Some Belgian chocolates.
A great meal. That
and
meal
the
was
Belgian
fantastic.
wine, the white wine.
Yeah, we tried the white wine. We didn't try the beer. We're gonna skip the beer for now. But man, everything else was delicious.
Yeah.
We're so glad you guys could join us on this little journey. Right now, we're gonna get ready to head back to the ship and get ready for our next stop in France.
See you there.
From Bruges, this is the Half-Assed Travelers signing off.